Hello viewers, Vanakkam. I am Revati Dandapani from Astro Ritually. Thank you very much for the support you have given so far. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the bell button. This video is for Jupiter Transit 2021-2022. It's a wonderful transit. It is human nature to expect something good will happen in every planetary transit. As per Vakya Panjangam, Jupiter transit is on 13th November 2021 and as per Tirukanitha Panjangam, it is on 20th November 2021. Jupiter is a planet of tolerance and expansive. It is associated with the sense of humor, plenty, good and bounty. Jupiter is called as Putrakarakan and Dhanakarakan. If Jupiter is placed in 2nd, 5th, 7th, 9th and 11th house, it is said to be very good. This transit is of two stages, that is regular and advanced transit. Regular transit is between 20th November 2021 and 12th April 2022. Advanced transit is 13th April 2022 to 31st July 2022. After that, Jupiter retrogrades and comes to Aquarius. In the regular transit on 20th November 2021 to Aquarius, Jupiter travels on Dhanishta 2 padams, Sadabhishak 4 padams, Purva Prashtabhada 3 padams, which are the natives of Mars, Dragon Rahu and his own. In the advanced transit to Pisces on 13th April 2022, he will be traveling on Purva Prashtabhada 4th Padam and Uttara Prashtabhada 4 Padams and he will be there till 31st July 2022. After that, he retrogrades and comes to Aquarius on September and will be there till October. This is the transit history of Jupiter. Aspect of Jupiter is favorable than his placement as his aspect is on 5th, 7th and 9th konas. Dear Capricorn sign, Capricorn ascendants ruled by Saturn, Uttradam, 2nd, 3rd, 4th Padam, Thiruvonam, Avitam 1st, 2nd Padam, star viewers. Your 3rd and 12th house Lord Jupiter transits to your 2nd house Aquarius on 20th November 2021. Fund flow will be flawless without bumps. Family will be harmonious and family members will cooperate. For the sufferings and problems faced by 7th of Saturn, this transit will be like a mirage in a desert. So many problems will be solved with flawless fund flow. You can take it as a transformation period. Lost money will come back to you. From loss to gain, lost brothers and friends may come back to reunite. Be with family. More you give, more you gain. Cut your loans and have better mindset. Follow Vedic rituals and better to hold to your life. All your efforts will be successful. You will be courageous in the public. Younger siblings will cooperate. You may have tiresome travels and unnecessary expenses over joyful occasions and celebrations in the family. From Aquarius, Jupiter aspects over 6th house Gemini, 8th house Leo, 10th house Libra. So old debts will be cleared. Enemies will run away seeing you. Health issues so far suffered will come to an end. Pending court cases will be finalized in your favor. Business, trade and career will flourish. Business and trade will be profitable. Career side, your hard work and working skills will be recognized and appreciated by everyone. Job opportunity is seen bright for the job seekers. From 20th November 2021 to 1st January 2022, Jupiter travels over 4th and 11th house Lord Mars native star Dhanishta 3rd and 4th Padam. Chances for purchase of immovable properties are seen bright. Purchase of house, land and vehicles is seen. You may get easy bank loans for the purchase of same. Your long-lasting desires will be fulfilled. You may get unexpected profits. Elder siblings will help and support. From 2nd January 2022 to 1st March 2022, Jupiter travels over Fifth house, Dragon Ragu's native star, Sadabhishek. So you'll be very happy. Children will flourish in education and in all aspects. They may have the chances to study abroad. So you may feel proud about them. From 2nd March 2022 to 12th April 2022, Jupiter travels on his native star Puraprashtapada. Your efforts will be successful, and from 13th April 2022 to 31st July 2022, Jupiter accelerates in an advanced transit to Pisces on his own star Puraprashtapada, and your sign and second house lord Saturn's native star Uttaraprashtapada. This period will be very much favorable and marriages can be initiated and arranged. Family life will be harmonious and family members will cooperate. From the third house Pisces, on 1st August 2022, Jupiter retrogrades and moves to Aquarius during September, and he'll stay in Aquarius during October and November, and the next transit to Pisces takes place during November. From Pisces, Jupiter aspects over 7th house Cancer, 9th house Virgo, 11th house Scorpio. So spouse relationship will be intimate with love and affection. Friends and business partners will cooperate. Those who are waiting for marriage will get their marriage initiated and settled. You may get the help and support from your father. Chances for abroad job and abroad studies are seen. You may get unexpected profits. Your long-lasting desires will be fulfilled. Elder siblings will be helpful and cooperate. So this transit is a wonderful transit and desire-fulfilling transit to Capricorns. Worship of Lord Tiruchendur Murugan and visiting Gurustalas like Alangudi, Thittai will be beneficial. If not possible, you can visit the nearby Shiva temple and worship Lord Dakshinamurti on Thursdays. I think you like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe and press the bell button to get my videos immediately. Thank you very much.